What's going on, Musclehead? So, I have my mask on. This is a custom-made mask with one of my aunt's friends. So here's my new taillights, man. I'm not too fond of my bronze or whatever color it is, gold bow tie. So I did order some vinyl wrap to carbon fiber that bow tie, and I am following through with my plans. As we speak, I have the carbon fiber vinyl that's coming. I ordered two packs because I didn't know if I was gonna mess up on the first one. So better safe than sorry, especially during this time, you know, whatever. But I did order the vinyl wrap for both the front and the back of my Camaro. To complement that, I'm also going to wrap these. I don't know, I may do these black, or I may do my my side mirrors carbon fiber. But I'm about to wash my car, so excuse me for being dirty. But I am going to replace this hood with the carbon fiber hood. It's the Terminator hood, which has the bigger hood scoop in the front with the side bits to go on the side. So I'm gonna get maybe a stage 2 cam. I don't think I'm gonna go too big with the cam. Not that I care about daily drivability, but it does snow here occasionally, and I wanna, until I can figure out that I can get like I don't know, whatever. Snow doesn't matter. But yeah, I think I am gonna go stage 2 by Texas Speed. I think I'm gonna get that. But yeah, man, I'm about to wash this car, man, and then I'll show you the lights. Since it's dirty right now, I'll show you the lights once it's all clean so it can really pop out and stick out. I promise you it will look so much better at nighttime. Let me try to, there we go. So that's basically how it's looking for the left turn signal. And I bet you'll see the same thing for the right, but let me do the hazards. All right, so here are the hazards. I'm just trying to brighten this down a little bit. So that's more clarity of the headlights themselves. They're actually pretty bright at night, or right now they're pretty bright, but video doesn't do it justice. But let me get a little thumbnail. And here's a little warm start. I've already started like 5 times today. Yeah, man, if you guys like this, like, comment, and subscribe. It's not really much we can really do out here because of this whole virus thing going on. I have my mask on because people usually walk throughout this alley, and I don't want to come into any type of contact with people. When I was doing my headlights, I keep saying headlights. When I was doing my taillights, I had this closed off, and I had room just to work on my taillights because my back was turned. And I ain't want nothing to sneak up on me. And I've been washing my hands so much, man. Look at my hands, dude. You see that? My hands are all messed up because I've been washing them non-stop. It seems like any little thing you touch in your house, you just like wash your hands obsessively. And I've been washing my hands before this whole, I'm a germaphobe, people. I've been washing my hands before this whole virus started. I remember when they announced the Ebola and the effects that Ebola had. Dude, I would come home from school, strip at the front door. My mom wouldn't be home, of course, she'd be at work, but I would strip at the front door when I was in high school. And then I would spray my clothes down with Lysol, disinfectant spray, and then I would like just jump in the shower I would take hot piping showers. And then for some reason I took a cold shower. Before I got out the shower. So it went from hot to cold. I don't know, I was weird, whatever. It feels good outside, and it's not. I should be wearing this snowflake because I'm not looking for no snow. But yeah, man, like, if you guys like this, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be bringing more mods. I'm gonna do the carbon fiber mod coming soon, and then possibly within the next week and a half or two, I'm gonna order my carbon fiber hood. I may get my little cousin, my little tall cousin, because you're like this tall. He just bought a 350Z. Okay, my cousin just bought a 350Z. I throw a clip in here right now. My boy got that 350Z, boy, finally. That thing loud, good. That thing loud, bro. Yes, so when he first bought the car, he thought that the owner said that it was straight pipe and catless, okay? Because that car is really, really loud. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the, dang, what is the exhaust that he's telling me? Dang. All right, so he says that he's going to get the Tomei. Is it Tomei or Tommy? It's T-O-M-E-I. Excuse my ignorance for not knowing the exact way on how to say that exhaust. But he said he's gonna get that exhaust on that car, which is, I believe, titanium. So that's gonna be really, really dope. He's gonna get a new body kit on the car. Once we improve more on actually the safety of the public, we're gonna get some road races in with the 350Z. His car is lighter, but I believe it only has like 250 or 270 horses, but it's super duper light. You know, he has a body kit that he's gonna throw on there. And then he's gonna put the big wang on the back, and I believe he's gonna get a tune. So we're gonna figure some things out about the 350. I'm not too much of a tuner type of guy. I'm more muscle than tuner, but we're gonna figure some things out. We're gonna do some research, try to get him up and running. I'm been on him about making a YouTube channel and an Instagram for his car. Follow me at SS Musclehead on Instagram. I'll put it right here for you. But yeah, I've been on him for creating Instagram and a YouTube for it. You know, taking delivery of his 350. You know, but he hasn't made it yet. So we gonna get it. We gonna get on him like that. If I talk to him tonight, and he makes it tonight, I will put his channel in the description and on the screen somewhere around here. You know, see if he can post a video, because he said he's been racking up videos. I just don't know why he hasn't posted any. But you know, as it goes, man, I hope everybody is staying safe. But let's everybody, you know, be more mindful, be more aware of the essential things that you actually need to go out and get. You know what I'm saying? If you need some condiments for your food, it's okay to eat it dry. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to go out and just get one little bottle of soy sauce to make some chicken fried rice, or some hot sauce to put in your chicken, or whatever the case may be, man. Just eat it how it is, or find something else in your house. We have to get past this virus, and we're not gonna get past it if we don't work together each other, so that when this thing is over, we can be with each other. You know, just because you're young, athletic, I'm young and athletic, but I'm not really using that as an excuse, because I'm an asthmatic as well. So I'm not gonna really go out here and risk it. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, potentially give it to my mom, or give it to my grandma, or my cousins, or my dad, or somebody. So it's all about not thinking about just yourself. It's about thinking about other people. You know what I'm saying? You walk next to one of my neighbors. She's like, they like 70, 80 years old. You know, if I would have went on, you know what I'm saying? It's just, I could get in my car and she come right behind me, whatever the case may be, and I'm asymptomatic, give it to her. You know what I'm saying? And you just gotta be mindful, all right? But I'm not gonna go on the rant too much longer about this, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay easy and keep that muscle up. Let's get it.